Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 10 and name of the chapter 10 is the motion and measurement of distance. Motion and measurement of distance. Need for standard scale or standard unit. So in this you can see that in early days people used to measure length with the help of various parts of our body such as the outstretched palm length, foot length or the arm length. King Henry I declared that the distance from the tip of his nose to the end of the stretched thumb when his arm was stretched out in sideways should be used as a unit of length. He called this length yard. But you can see that such units cannot serve as a standard for measuring length for the simple reason that they are going to be different for different people. Here the chapter 10, motion and measurement of distance. Then you will see that now come to the standard unit of length. Come to the standard unit of length. Standard unit of length. Standard unit of length. So in this standard unit of length, a unit which is acceptable to a majority of the people as a basic unit of measurement is called a standard unit. It is called a standard unit. Scientists all over the world have accepted a basic set of units for measuring the basic physical quantities, that is measurement of mass, length, time, temperature, etc. And this set of units is called the International System of Units, and it is generally referred to as the SI system. And you know that according to the SI system, the fundamental unit of length is the meter. Unit of length is the meter. Unit of Now we will discuss about the standard unit of length. What is the standard unit of length? A unit which is acceptable to a majority of a people as a basic unit of measurement is called the standard unit. So what is the standard unit? Standard unit which is acceptable to a majority of the people as a basic unit is called the standard unit. Scientists all over the world have accepted a basic sets of unit for measuring the basic physical quantities, that is the measurement of mass, length, time, temperature, etc. And this sets of unit is called the International Systems of Unit. The system International unit, it is generally referred to as the SI system. It is generally referred to as SI system. And according to the SI system, the fundamental unit of length is meter, and in short form meter is written as M. Meter is written as M, like this. Meter is written as M. You may still ask how long is 1 meter, and will the iron bar used by a cloth seller is 1 meter in length, and scientifically meter is defined as under 1 meter is 10 millionth, the distance from the equator to the North Pole, and along the longitude passing through Paris in France. Multiple of meter. What is the multiple of meter? Multiple of meter. multiple of meter. Meter is not a convenient unit for expressing long lengths. For example, distance between Amritsar border, city of India and New Delhi is 4,70,000 meters. What is the distance? 4,70,000 meter. 4,70,000 meter or 470,000 meters, and it is far more convenient to say that distance between Amritsar and New Delhi is 470 kilometers. And in Latin language, the word kilo means 1000 and 1 kilometer stands for 1000 meter. Then we can say that 1 kilometer is the 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is the 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Some multiples of meter. Some lengths are much shorter than a meter. For example, the length of a pencil is much smaller than a meter. Thus, it is convenient to express such length in meter. And a pencil is of length 0.15 meter or 3 by 20 meter. To express such length, a sum multiple of a meter is used. And it is called a centimeter. In short form, cm, centimeter. You can see that centimeter, this is the meter and this is the centimeter. Short form we are writing like this, and this is the kilometer. Kilometer, meter and centimeter. And millimeter is the short form. Millimeter is the short form. Millimeter in short form we have written mm, and the word milli means 1000 part. The word milli means 1000 part. 1 millimeter is 1000th part of a meter, and in other words 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So here you can see that 1 meter is equal to 1000 meter. Here you can see that 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter, and or in short form 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. In this you can see that, and when you have to sum up these, then you will see that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. How to measure length accurately with a meter scale? How you will measure the length? So in a laboratory we use a wooden meter scale or a half meter scale for taking ordinary measurements, and it is marked in centimeters as well as millimeters. Suppose we want to measure the length of a rectangular wooden block. Wooden block, you can see that 10.10, and the 0 mark on the scale is made to coincide with one end of the wooden block as shown in the figure 10.10, and the reading on the other end of the wooden block gives its length. In the diagram, the length of wooden block is 5.6 meter. 5.6 meter. And when we will take the measurement, the zero end of the scale may be broken, but when if you will take the measurement from here, then it is good from the zero. So all of you take revision tip here.